Come in here to put the chickens up, and got to put Benny and her kids in the chicken house, but they're all snuggled up to her on the roost. And then you got the two younger ones here. Benny taught her kids well here. See that one poking out? Let's see if I can get everybody put away here without making too much racket. Oh, he pecked me. Yeah, that one there pecked me. Pecked me good. I'm not scared though. No part of me. Go in there. Go on in there. There are a lot of obstacles. You know what time it is, Benny? It's time for y'all to go to bed. Got dark out. Mama Chicken had to go to the grocery store. We're getting a late start on dinner tonight. It's okay there at Rooster Cogburn. You can't come. Listen, Benny, don't give me no crap. Look at this guy trying to scale down the ramp all by himself, never having been shown it. I don't think chickens are as dumb as a lot of people like to say. I think they got a little bit of an idea of what's going on. Come here, Big Mama. Let me have you. Come up in there. Go in there, Benny. This is kind of hard to do. She must have had another one of them tucked up under her wing. All right, kids. Yep, I know. Hang on, Benny. Come back in there. I'll get you taken care of. Just give me a second here. Need to corral your kids up.